Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and today in this video I'm going to show you a brief demo of my project that I am currently working on. The project is on ASP.NET MVC5 with a C# and database SQL Server. Okay, I'm going to show you a brief demo. I'm not going to show you a complete coding, okay, because this is a paid project and I'm currently working on it. Is a complete coaching portal system. Okay, so I'm going to show you a brief introduction. If you need this project and if you want to learn this and if you need, so you can contact me. I will provide you the details at the end of the video. Okay, so let us start. First of all, I'm going to show you a home screen, but remember one thing I'm currently working on. So there is a lot of work are required and lots of front-end work and back-end work are required to do. Okay, this is a simple home screen, and the next thing is that we have on a home screen we have a following navigation bars like fees structure and services, and we have a gallery option in which we have a pictures and photos. I'm not going to show you the pictures and photos. This is a services option, and the next thing is that we have an about and gallery option. In the about us we have an about of, and the next thing is that we have a contact information in which we have a Google Map location is available on that particular page. My internet connection is a little bit slow, okay, so it is not showing and it is working. Look out. So this is the home index that the end user will appear on that particular screen. Okay, and the next thing is that I have the login and sign up page for the admin or the faculty or the staff, in which we have a three particular person to use the admin panel, like admin or admin and data entry operator and the head. We don't have right now any registration in the backend, so we don't have any registration or ID password to log in. Okay, I am going to show you after the successfully login or registration, you can redirect through that particular admin panel page. Okay, so I don't have any registration email and ID in the database backend, so there is no availability. We have to create the database and data variable and values so we can get access it from the login page. Okay, and the next thing is after successful login the following admin screen will appear. Okay, and it should be a responsive, by the way. Okay, so this is the responsive. Okay, and we have a responsive application. Okay, so this is a complete coaching portal. First of all, in the admin panel we have a faculty details option. In the faculty we have faculty details and an add faculty options, in which the user can add the faculty members, and all the faculty after successfully addition it will appear on our details page. Okay, it will working and opening. The same procedure is like on the staff. The staff details will appear on the admin screen, and the staff and the admin can add a new staff, that particular staff that are currently doing job in their coachings. And then I look out, this is a faculty page. Okay, in which we have a following inputs are required to fill, and the database is always available. Okay, and the same like that we have a staff option just like faculty, and we have a classes option in which we have to add the classes like class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, and metric standard first year, second year. We have a class 1 option here available. Just like the same thing is that in a fee structure we have to add the fees structure according, and just like the fees class we have a fees structure, we have to add the fees, and our fees detail will appear on our fee detail option. And the same thing is that in a subjects, and we have an inventory option in which all the inventory that the coaching are using, like inventory is available in anything that will be added on that particular inventory option. And the next thing is that we have a library option. In a library we have a books, so we have to add all the books here, and we have our book detail will appear on that particular screen like this. We have an action, look out, in which the book name, category, status, available or not, and the action means there is an action of edit and details. Okay, this is the following thing we have done. And if I go back to my coding, and I will show you the coding of something like I want to show the coding of faculty. So we have a coding of faculty in which we have an admin controller. In admin controller we have a following coding. So we have to add the faculty members or staffs or login through their ID and password. Okay, we have a coding here, check it out. It will, the backend has connected. Okay, so the following thing we have done in our coaching portal are faculty, staff, classes, fees structure, subjects, inventory details, and the library. What are the main things and required work in our project? That is, I'm going to show you my database. In a model I have connected the database, that is ADO.NET, and in which I have that particular tables. I'm going to show you all the tables. Look out, this is all my tables that is available and I'm currently working on, in which we have a timetable, TBL subjects, TBL students, TBL staff, TBL faculty details, TBL classes, admin, salary details, and library table, inventory table, financial table means all the financial debit and credits will be added on that particular table. Just like that we have fees structure, fees and exam. As you can see that we have a following tables, and I will told you that our staff, faculties, classes, fees structure, subject, we have done all the things with the backend database, and the required things are available in, I am showing in my that particular tables. Okay, in which we have the remaining exams, I have remaining fees, financial, and I have remaining the students, I have remaining the salaries table. The remaining work are required to do. Okay, so this is project that I am currently working on my coaching portal. Just I am going to, if I am going to show you my database that I have created, but I am going to show you for a demo purpose only. Okay, document, SQL Server Management Studio, and I have a coaching management system. If I click on this, it will automatically open in my SQL Server. Okay, so this is a schema that I am going to show you, a database in which I have all the tables are available, and I have connected the database through ADO.NET. We have all the tables like admin, classes, subjects, fees structure, TBL students, fees, and many more things. Okay, so this is the basic demo of my project that I am currently working. So if you need this project and you want to learn this project, complete portal with the tools using ASP.NET, MVC5 and SQL Server, so you can contact me. Okay, so that's all for today.